Text, Evinced headquarters, 11:48 a.m. A man sits at a table and uses chopsticks to eat from a bowl. A laptop is open in front of him on the table. He looks across the room and sees comedian Josh Blue. Josh picks up a sandwich bag from the floor and examines it. He opens it and sets it down on a counter near a seated woman. She leans over and smells the contents and gags. Josh picks up the bag, smells the contents, and shrugs. The man at the table shakes his head side to side and looks back at his laptop. Josh suddenly sits across the table from him.
Sorry, man. I didn't mean to break your concentration. I'm just dying to know what happens after a web designer does their thing.
The man nods. Text, Evinced presents Good Questions with Josh Blue. A cartoon drawing of the man duck says the words with Josh Blue fly into the title screen. The man closes his laptop and puts down his chopsticks.
After a designer does their thing, they pass their design to the developer and they will build it into an actual website that a user could eventually see.
So what is a developer's job when it comes to accessibility?
It's a good question.
Yeah, I know.
The man looks to the side and pauses.
Well, the problem is that accessibility is complex. Most often, developers aren't accessibility experts. First, they're always on a deadline. They've got a ton of things on their plate.
Like what kind of stuff on their plate?
Oh, totally. Like performance, making sure that the website is fast enough.
Oh, not food?
Maybe
Sorry.
food too, yeah.
Yeah, okay.
But yeah, performance and security, making sure that nobody can hack their website. This is just one additional thing being piled on top of their already overflowing plate of duties. So unfortunately, accessibility kind of becomes an afterthought.
And then what happens if a developer gets it wrong?
Well, if they get it wrong, then, worst case scenario, someone using assistive technology isn't going to be able to use the website that they've built as intended. And part of the problem is that we often don't find accessibility issues until they're already out into the world on the internet. And so they then have to drop what they're currently working on and go back to code maybe they wrote months ago. It involves a lot of context switching. Developers get into the zone. And if you're constantly being pestered or bothered...
Like this?
The man looks to the side and pauses.
Whether it's by people walking by your desk and poking you on the shoulder and asking questions, or...
Josh pokes a fork into the sandwich bag.
Eating loudly or obnoxiously. Developers want to focus on the task at hand so they can meet those deadlines.
Do they want to be left alone because they're antisocial, or?
I think they're just really focused on their work.
Nerds?
Josh looks at us, looks away, and then looks at the man.
Nerds.
Okay, cool. But what's Evinced doing to help?
Absolutely. So, Evinced is building tools that fit right into the developer environment so that as they're building the website, they have everything they need from a knowledge perspective to build their website accessibly in the first place, which prevents all of that context switching, helps them be faster, and meet their deadlines as they're going.
Josh touches a plant on the table.
Oh, sorry, man. Can you say that again?
Sure. So basically, Evinced provides tools so that all the information they need to build a website accessibly is right at their fingertips.
No, thanks, man. It's very informative.
Can I ask what you're eating there?
Oh, I don't know. Can you?
Josh hands the man a magic 8-ball. He shakes it.
Very likely.
It's very likely I'm gonna get dysentery.
Josh cuts his eyes away. Logo, Evinced.